Hey dolls, so I am back. So this is going to be a video on this hair. Sorry I don't have my lip on. I'm running out the door right now. But I want to give y'all an intro and outro real quick. So let me tell you where this hair is from. Okay dolls, so this hair is from Alipearl hair. This is the box. And this is a 5x5 closure wig, 24 inches. And this is the... So yeah, this is a HD undetectable lace skin melt transparent 24-inch 5x5 lace closure wig, 180 density and a small cap size. I'm not sure of the actual curl pattern, but the curls are really pretty. And y'all, 180 density, this hair is super full. Like, it's really full. Okay, so also on the inside I got some lashes. They sent me a headband, and then I'm not sure what this is, something else, and then another edge brush, a piece of elastic that you can use to make your wig tighter or tie your edges down. They have a pamphlet in here with care instructions, and they also sent like a little Christmas card. And then I also got some wig caps as well, and also the satin bag that you can store your wig in. So I got all of that in my package, and this hair is so pretty. I just did it real quick tonight. I'm going to my cousin's birthday dinner, so it came out so cute. But yeah, stay tuned for the video if y'all want to see how I installed this 5x5. It looks really good. Can't hold you, minimal baby hairs, but still giving frontal vibes, if you will. So stay tuned. Okay dolls, so this is how the lace is looking after I have went in and already tinted it. If y'all have watched other videos, then you will see how I do that. But I just tinted the lace, and then I'm going to go ahead and pop the wig on. And y'all know whenever I have a closure, I always like to go in and remove the tabs on the sides, because they are going to get in the way of your lace laying down as flat as it possibly can. So just go in and cut off those tabs on the sides, and then you can go in and start laying the lace down. So to do so, y'all see me going in with the iconic black can, because this can is the GOAT. This is the Even Wonder Lace adhesive spray. And I'm just going to spray that all along the hairline, and then go in and blow dry it on cool. Then once that is nice and dry, I'm going to go in and cut off the excess lace that is left over. Just getting really close to the hairline, as close as I can possibly get. You may cut off a few little hairs, but don't try to, don't go crazy and cut off all of your baby hairs. So after I have cut the hairs off, then I'm going to go back in with my same spray that I used initially and just seal down that lace even more so. And this is what is going to, blend it in more so and give you more of that melted kind of look. So just spray the hairline down once again, and then go back in with your blow dryer. Blow dry that down on a cool setting. And then after I have did that, it wasn't completely dry, but I went ahead and put my part in. I was actually doing my hair for my cousin's birthday party, so I was actually getting ready to go. And y'all know your girl always running late, so let it dry down a little bit more if you have the time. But I went ahead and put my bust down part down the center. And then I'm going to take my elastic band and just go ahead and tie it down so that my lace can start to melt in even more nicely. So I'm going to also use my blow dryer on a cool setting while I have my elastic band on. And then I went in and started to perfect the parting area by using my hot comb. I like to use my hot comb just regular without any product first, just to kind of warm the hair up and also start to train it. Sorry if y'all hear Versace keep shaking, but yeah, I'm just gonna use that. And then I also go in with my wax stick, and I go section by section to get the wig to lay nice and flat and give a more natural appearance, because we don't want our wig to look like, helmet hair. Like, no, that ain't cute. So I'm just going section by section, and I will hot comb and also use a wax stick, and then, go over it with the hot comb so that it can melt down really nicely. A wax stick is definitely key whenever you're using your hot comb, because if you just use it on dry hair, it does not work the best. You definitely need some kind of oil or like a wax stick to really help melt the hair down into place. So I also did that on the back section, and you also want to make sure that you cover the tracks. So now moving on to baby hairs, I already parted down a little section, and I'm just doing my 2 little swoops. This is like my typical go-to, especially with a middle part, and I'm just going to curl it up with my little mini flat iron and then just swoop it right into place. To do so, I just like to spray hairspray on my actual brush, and then I'm also going to blend out the hairline using this powder. This one is from Red by Ruby Kisses, I think. I can't remember what it is, but yeah, this powder works really amazing, but it only comes in like 3 colors. I don't know if they have updated, but I picked it up at the beauty supply store. So now you can see I'm just combing the hair out. I want to brush everything out, and this is how the hair looks, you know, completely fluffed out and detangled. Like, it's really, really full. So I went to the sink and wet the hair down to help speed the process up instead of just sitting here and spraying to wet down all of this hair. But I'm just using my water bottle to actually spray down more so the top part of my hair and just any areas that still needed to be a little bit more damp. And then I just brush that through all of the water, and then I also applied some product. I use a little bit of serum, and you can use like a leave-in conditioner or some kind of curling type of product on the hair to get the curls to really pop. So once I put the product in and everything, I just brush back through the hair to make sure that the product is evenly distributed through the hair, and then I'm just going to go in and scrunch the hair, because whenever you brush it out, it kind of starts to look straight. Just go in with a little scrunch, and that will curl the hair right back up. And this hair is so pretty. I really love this hair, and also the wig, the lace is really nice as well. So this is how it looks while it's wet, and you'll see how it looks dried in the outro. I hope you guys enjoyed. Love ya. Okay guys, so this is the completed look of the hair. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial and you think that this hair is as fire as I do. Let me just show y'all a quick little fit. Sorry it's a mess in here. I was about to vacuum, so I picked my rug up, but whatever. So this is the outfit, all black, 2-piece set. I don't really like that the pants are like so loose and they don't like suck you in at all, but whatever. So I got on a 2-piece set, and then I put on this puffer vest. I'm gonna wear this bag, and then I have on my Monolith Prada boots. So yeah, just a quick little fit. Okay, bye y'all.